Hello dear members, my name is Lavshlaj and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import the demo content of Ezcafe Divi theme. So let's go to my screen. I will show you how you can do that. Alright, as you can see on my screen, this is the DB Coffee Shop Gel theme and as well as EZ Cafe Divi Gel theme. And okay, let me show you. Here is a demo of EZ Cafe Divi Gel theme. And if you see over here, we have slider and everything. Okay, so not talking about the theme, and let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so first thing is we need a fresh installation of WordPress. That is recommended. You can also use existing WordPress, but I recommend a fresh WordPress. Okay, now let me go to the appearance themes and let me install Divi first, and then we will proceed with the gel theme. Okay, so let me install the let me have we have to click on add new, then upload themes, and then choose file. So let me choose my Divi theme, which is somewhere around here. So I am using the 4.10.5 version. In your case it can be higher because obviously you are doing after my video. So okay, Divi theme is installed. So now I will just click on activate, and after activating I will just click on this plugins and add new. Now here is the catch, like most of the themes in Elegant Marketplace, you have to install it in the themes, but in my case you have to install it as a plugin, not as a theme. Okay, now let me click on this choose file, and let me go to my gel theme folder. Then we have to find Ezcafe, which is over here. Now there are two versions. Let me explain you how it works. So if you have purchased the gel theme from Divi Awesome, Elegant Marketplace, or Etsy, or Divi Cake, then you will get the version in which you will get all the images. But if you have downloaded or if you have purchased it from Elegant Themes Marketplace, then you won't be able to get that because they have very strict laws with the images. So we can't use license images in there. We can't provide you that. Okay, but don't worry about that. Even if you have purchased from Elegant Themes, you can always ask me, and you can use support@duogeeks.com, or you can simply use my messenger, which is on the website dvawesome.com. At the right bottom you will see that help. Click on that, go to the messenger, send me a message. Hey, I have purchased blah 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 child theme, but I don't get the images, so can you provide me that file? Definitely I will do that. Okay, so this is the one that have all the images. Okay, and in the Elegant Themes, this is the one which is 2.9 MB. This don't have the images, and this is 19 MB almost. Okay, so let me just open it, click on install now, and then let's wait for the installation. After that we will proceed with the activation, and then we will begin the site import. Okay, let me activate the plugin, and after we do the activation, then we have to click on this Ezcafe Divi theme plugin installer. Okay, in your case, like if you stuck anywhere, just use this contact. Okay, then we have to make sure that we select all these options. Don't just deselect it. Then click on begin site import, and now this will take around 5 to 10 minutes because this is having a lot of images. So that's why obviously it will take a lot of time, like 5 to 10 minutes normally. But also it depends on internet speed and your server also. So you have to wait for a while. Now let me also wait it, and once this is completed, once this is imported, then I will get back to you and I will show you how to do rest of the things, because there are some parts like WooCommerce. There's a plugin for cart, which is cart flows and permalinks, and can be some other things, and I will show you how you can set up that as well. All right, as you can see, we are almost done over here. So this is the last part. Okay, obviously your site package has been imported, so we are done with the import thing. And now let me show you how the website looks like and what other changes we have to do to make it perfect. Okay, so over here, as you can see, we have all the images. Okay, I'm really sorry, but this package also got the Elegant Themes version. So but don't worry about that, you can always ask me for the images one. Let's see about the functionality. So I think we are almost done. It's just the cart flow it's just the WooCommerce. Okay, let's check the WooCommerce pages, because I think that will be the problem. The method I use to export child theme, it uses some kind of I don't know like how it works, but it generally don't put the pages like the checkout page, cart page over there in the WooCommerce settings. Okay, so we have to do it manually. But let's see. I guess it is done, but I'm not sure. So yeah, return to shop, and let's add a product to the cart, and let's see how it works. Okay, also the permalink. Okay, so let's fix the permalink first. So to do that, settings, permalinks, and then let's go with that post name over here, which you can see, and then let's save the changes. Then let's move to the website and let's add a product. Okay, so simply just I will just hover over it and just click on this cart button, which will help us to add the product to the cart, and we are done with that. So now let's move to the cart page. Okay, if you see, cart page is done. Now let's go to the checkout page. Okay, yeah, now if you see, checkout page is not the right one, so we have to fix that. Also, I guess the cart page is also not the one that we that we want. I use the menu, which is okay, but in general process you won't see that, like the cart page that we have designed. Okay, so let's go to the advanced and let's choose all the pages that we want. So okay, cart page is home. If you see, so we need to choose the cart, which is 202, and then checkout will be 203, must be 201, and then my account should be 203 or 1. Okay, 2200. In this case you can choose the terms and condition page as well, so let's choose that. If we have, yeah, definitely we have. Now let's save the changes. And yeah, one more thing, let me tell you, in the over here, yeah, okay, over here, if you don't want the downloads, because if you are selling a physical product, then definitely you don't need the downloads. Simply just delete the text over here. That's it. Now let's go over here and let's refresh the page, and let's see how it works. Okay, this is not working, so let's go back to the home page and let's go to the cart and check out again. Okay, so cart page, checkout must be dashed, yeah, of course. So now proceed to checkout and let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, perfect, now it's working. So if you see, we have the correct checkout page, and also if you go to the my account page, then it's working. Yeah, okay, you see, there is no download as well. So orders, address, account details, that's it, and log out as well. Now yeah, we're done with this. Now let's go to the cart flows and fix that. Actually, cart pops, sorry about that. So allow and activate, then let's enable the cart pops, save changes, go over here, refresh the page. Okay, I guess, yeah, okay, no problem. So let's add a product again to the cart. Now if you see, you can see, let's check out. Now you have to do you have to set up it manually, like the this color, this color, this color, and other stuff. If you see in the main website, we have this as well, so let's put that. Let's go to the appearance. So here is the accent color, so you can just change it, and let's go with the round style, and buttons color scheme, you can always change this color as well. Floating cart launcher. So let's save this settings, go to the customization, animation type, speed, these are the stuff. So if you want, you can just use it. And we are using the drawer. If you want, you can use the pop-up and bar as well. So let's enable coupon, let's enable the floating cart, bottom right, yes. Hide when cart is empty, so if you want to use it, you can just use it. Menu cart, launcher settings, and cart one. Okay, so if you want, you can use this as well. Now let's save the changes and let's see on the front end how it looks like. Let's refresh the page, and if you see, now we will get this thing over here. But if you see, we have the white, so it's not shown, and we have the discount as well. Now you have to do some settings manually. show subtotal, total discount, tax, shipping, calculator. Okay, this is pro, so let's leave that. Save settings. Now what we have to fix it with this one. So let's go back and let's see the appearance. Primary color scheme. So I guess field background is this one, field text color is this one. So let's change this and see if it is working or not. Okay, save changes, refresh the page. Okay, changes are saved. It's not showing over here, some kind of problem. I'm not sure, like buttons color scheme, recommendations color scheme, floating cart, launcher, must be this one, indicator background, icon color, text color. So let's go with the let's say 00000. Okay, save settings. Let's see, refresh the page, and yeah, now we can see that. Now in other cases as well, like you can simply change the color of these as well. Okay, simply just click on the checkout now and let's see if it is working or not. And if you see over here, we are on the checkout page. Now if you want, you can just place the order, and you will get the thank you page as well. Okay, now we are done with the website, and now you are done. And I'm pretty sure that you will be able to import all these with yourself as well. So but still, if you need my support, don't worry about that, you can always contact me. Okay, so make sure that you hit like button, and for more such videos please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.